all peeps, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be showing you how to draw dotted lines on a chalkboard or blackboard like Walter Lewin. If you don't know who Walter Lewin is, he's a guy from MIT that can draw these dotted lines. So the first thing you'll need is a blackboard and some chalk. Now you need to get the chalk that has flat ends like this, because that makes it so much easier, like 100 times easier. So we're going to be teaching you how to do lines kind of like that. How to do dotted lines just like that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to hold your chalk very firmly like this. And then you have to hold it at like an angle towards the way that you want it to go. And then you just let it skip across. It basically does that. If you see that, you probably see that it does that, just like that. And then you can speed it up and just do cool stuff. So this will take a bit of practice, but at some point you'll get this. Get the hang of this. And it also makes a pretty nice noise. It makes a really weird noise. So, thank you all peeps for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.